welcome to the Crafty Panda. So today I'm gonna show you my other painting that I painted, and I painted a waterfall. So here it is. Here's my waterfall. It's kind of hard to show you, so I'm gonna turn the camera. Here's my waterfall painting. So this is how it looks like. I made a waterfall over there. I added some lights. I put some white paint on the top here. And then I created this bush. This is like trees and bushes over here. And this is the water falling here and it's splashing. So this is my painting. It's kind of hard to show you it. So yeah, this is my painting of a waterfall. So that is my painting and I hope you liked it. So it's a waterfall, and I painted this by learning how to paint it from Wow Art. And yeah, it's really fun. And also, it doesn't take a long time to paint. Here it is. Kind of hard to show you. Let me show you. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and hope you liked my painting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Bye!